Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Microsoft Power BI on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to download and install Microsoft Power BI app is pretty simple. Microsoft has made it possible for you to do this on your Android smartphone. This app is available on Google Play Store. So all you need to do is to go ahead and tap on Play Store on your Android smartphone and then go ahead and search for Power BI just like that. And if I search, you can see we have now Microsoft Power BI on your Android smartphone. To know that is the right app, make sure it is from Microsoft Corporation. And at the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.8 and it has over 67,000 reviews with over 5 million downloads at the time of recording this. The file size is averagely 26 MBs. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Microsoft BI on your Android smartphone and then install it. Once the app has been installed, you can now proceed and tap on open here to start using Power BI, or you can go back and enter your apps. You should be able to see and find Power BI app here. Go ahead and sign in to start using this app with a lot of ease. So that's how you can download and install Microsoft Power BI on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.